Hey guys, what's going on? Dylan here from fabricationguy.com. I want to talk about a new helmet that I picked up. This is the Lincoln Electric 3350. And I got this helmet mainly for comfort and the clarity of the lens. And as you can see here, one thing that I really like about it is this head strap. So it has the front padding like most helmets, but then it has two straps on the top of your head that really help you dial in the adjustment. And then it has your back adjustment as well. But it takes a lot of the fatigue off your head when you're welding for a long period of time. It takes the pressure off your forehead from the weight of the hood, and it's really, really nice. I like it a lot. It looks really sleek too. It's got a nice gloss finish, looks really cool. For the price, this thing was a little bit expensive, but after, as you can see, we have helmets everywhere, and we just, after a while, it was like, we just need to get a nice helmet. So we ended up getting this one over here, and it's been working really well. Here's your settings here on the bottom. As you can see with the shade, they're dual numbered. So there's actually a switch here at the top. So you switch the switch to the left to do shade 5 through 8, and then you adjust accordingly. And then for 9 through 13, you switch it to the right, and then you adjust it accordingly. The controls are really easy to use. We've just been really pleased with it. It comes with stickers for all the different part numbers, which is nice. I like people that do that. It makes it really easy to order replacement parts. And we've just liked it a lot. It's been really comfortable, and it's worked out really well. The lens clarity is really good. It's got kind of a blue hue to it, which I really like. It's a little bit different, and I feel like it works really, really well indoors in low light conditions. I really like it. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys out. I'll put a link in the video description to this on Amazon if you guys are interested. That's where we got it from. It comes with a little carrying case here, so we always stick it in the carrying case and then just hang it from the bottle on the back. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. That's my review of the 3350. I really like it. Kind of sucked buying it because it was a little bit expensive, but now that I own it, I absolutely love it when I come over here and work. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.